found is quite a bit of rust. So I was about halfway. What's going on, y'all? Back with another video. So I actually had two big cracks in my windshield. So right now there is no windshield. So the person was appointment by came to my house, and he removed the windshield, and he was nice enough to let me work on my car and while the windshield's off, and then he's gonna come back when it's done. So what we found is quite a bit of rust. So I was about halfway. And the reason why is I guess the person who replaced the windshield before did a really shitty job. As you can see, like, they didn't even use the clips, they used like glue. And I was actually having leaks out of here anyways. So I'm glad I caught this. It's not really eating away at the metal too much. But let's go ahead and get this fixed. What I'm gonna be doing is, since I am gonna be painting the car probably by the end of the year or next year, I didn't really wanna paint the roof again the same color, because I am gonna change the color. Hint, hint, a little secret. So what I'm gonna be doing is actually gonna be making this really just remove all the rust. Then I'm gonna primer it, make sure it's smooth, and I'm just gonna wrap it in gloss black. So the next video is gonna be me wrapping the roof. First time wrapping, and I'm gonna be learning. But this video is just gonna be me repairing the rust, all right? So the materials I'm gonna be using is gonna be a bag, kind of just like the masking material, masking tape, 400 grit to finish it off, 220, 320 grit to kind of remove the sand. Gonna have the rotary tool this is gonna be the initial rust removing tool that I'm gonna use. Probably gonna use using a flap wheel or one of these the wire brush discs. All right. So, and also for the paint, so I got this Rust-Oleum rust reformer. So after I remove all the rust, then I think, and you know, to my point of view, it's gonna be the best as it could get. I'm gonna be using the Rust Performer Rust Stop Rust-Oleum first, and then gonna finish it off with black primer. That should be good enough to stop the rust, make it like new again. Then we're gonna wrap the roof after that. And then I'm gonna start with the vacuum to kind of get all the dirt and the rust bits out first. So let's get started on the vacuuming, and let's get this job done. All right, so we got it all prepped. This is gonna be the last prep. It's gonna be grease and wax remover. Gonna wipe it down. right, so there you go. I'm gonna catch you all on the next video. And I'm gonna be wrapping the roof gloss black. Peace out.